Hey there, it's Josh from SmartrMail. Today we're going to walk you through how to install SmartrMail on your Neto store. Let's start on your control panel. If you head to the email marketing setup page within the marketing menu, you'll see the Install SmartrMail button halfway down the page. Click through and you'll be redirected to the add-on directory where you can install the app. Once you've clicked a few more buttons, you'll be transported to the dashboard and will automatically start importing your customers, products, and purchase data. This can sometimes take up to 10 minutes depending on your store size, so in the meantime you can set your store's sending email and explore the app. If multiple users will be accessing your account that might not have access to your Neto control panel, now is a great time to set up an account password login as well. By setting this, anyone on your team can access your account by logging in with the password option on the main site. That's it. Keep watching our videos to learn how to design your emails and get your newsletter out with SmartrMail. Happy sending!